Final examination intensive listening even semester 2021 and 2022.
Now listen to the Dreamcatcher legend. 1.
A grandmother was watching a spider making a web.
2.
One day, her grandson came in and saw the spider. "Grandmother, a spider!" he shouted.
3.
The grandson was frightened when he saw the spider and wanted to show that he could protect his grandmother. So he picked up a shoe to hit the spider.
4.
The grandmother asked her grandson not to kill the spider. She said, "That spider will not hurt us. He has worked very hard on his web." So the grandson put down the shoe and did not kill the spider.
5.
When the boy left, the spider stopped spinning his web. He crawled slowly across the floor to where the grandmother was sitting. The spider thanked the grandmother for saving his life.
6.
The grandmother listened carefully to the spider and was not afraid. The spider said, "I will give you a gift because you saved my life." And then he crawled away.
7.
That evening, the grandmother saw something shining across the room. The spider had made a beautiful web near the window.
8.
The spider said, "Now you will have only good dreams. Only good dreams will go through this web. The nightmares will be caught in the web and will not cause you trouble or pain. This is my gift to you." And so that is why the Chippewa people make dream catchers, their own webs, to help protect their children from bad dreams.
Number 2. Listen to the recording on banking services and complete the blanks below.
Welcome to First Mountain Bank's Automated Touchtone Information Service. Press 1 for banking hours. Press 2 for account history. Press 3 for money transfers. Press 4 for account interest rates. Press 5 for bank news. Press 6 at any time to return to the main menu. Press 7 to end the call. Thank you.
Number 3. Listen to the recording furniture stores and complete the blanks below.
Are you looking for appliances or furniture to give new life to your home? Look no further. Here at Frontier Furniture, we have everything you need to give your home a new look and feel. Stereos, video machines, refrigerators, light fixtures, dining room tables, washers, and dryers. You name it, we have it. Low on cash? We have an easy rent-to-own plan that will put you in your favorite sofa tonight. Big color TVs as low as $225. Digital pianos starting at $399. King-size beds from $250. Free delivery on all major appliances. So come on down to Frontier Furniture, located downtown 2 blocks east of City Hall, across from Union Square. We're open daily from 10 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. So come on in and let us make your dream home a reality.